Not oops, OOP. Object-oriented programming is a programming language model for software design that revolves around objects or data instead of logic and functions. In other words, it focuses on what developers want to manipulate rather than how they want to manipulate them. This approach is well suited for programs that are large, complex, and actively updated or maintained. An object can be anything from a physical entity, like a human being, down to a small computer program, like a widget. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is based on four main principles: encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Simula is credited as the first OOP language, and the most popular today are Java, JavaScript, Python, C++, and Ruby. OOP boasts benefits like code reusability, scalability, and efficiency. And due to the organization of an object-oriented program, it's also conducive to collaborative development where projects can be divided into groups. However, the method has been criticized by developers as well, citing concerns like overemphasizing the data component of software development, ignoring the computation and algorithm components, the complexity of writing OOP code, and the time to compile. Alternatives to object-oriented programming include functional programming, structured programming, and imperative programming. Many advanced languages give developers the option to combine them. Do you prefer object-oriented programming over the other methods? Let us know why and why not, and remember to hit that like button.